Okay, guys, so what is this project first? You need to know this tutorial, in fact, is based on a contest I made on my Discord. Okay, so first things, I really invite you to join the Discord. You have the link on my Medial Social, and in the tutorial I give you a note with the different link and invitation. Okay, so this is the Discord. We are a lot to participate. We are mainly French people. Okay, so if you are not French, please participate. Just ask, present you, say hello, something, post whip on the whip section, okay, and give write in English, and we will stop speaking French and speak English, okay? So in the Discord, you can post your whip, have feedback, have help, have some link, some everything is on the Discord. Okay, every day. It's also a way to contact me. It's a really a great thing. Okay, and you have the Wizix contest. Okay, this channel where each month we choose a concept and we participate and create and participate at this contest. Okay, the first one was the radar bot. Here in the whip you see here I will show you just for those who don't see it my final image on this one. So last month we start with the first contest, which is we choose this concept, well, really simply, and on the Wizix contest the rules are very simple. You can use the tool you want. Okay, there are no tool restriction. I did it on 3ds Max and Storm. Some people make on Blender and Cycle, some other on 3ds Max, Vray, Sketchfab. You can do what you want. The only rules is to keep the mood of the concept. Okay, it's all really simple and it's fun. People help each other. Okay, you will learn a lot, and also I will try to introduce some little prize for the winner. Okay, like discount code or what you want. I don't know. Okay. So I really invite you to join the Discord and participate on the contest. It's really fun, and I will make some tutorial based on that. So you have on my Gumroad the 30 hours tutorial about how I made this concept. So it's a big one, and I will show you the final result. Final result here. Sorry, why is not the final? This is not the final. Final is on master. Yes, of course. So there is this one. Okay, which is you see what I mean by keep the mode of a concept, and it's the exact same thing we will do on this tutorial. Not the exact copy the exact concept, but keep copy and try to find the mood. Okay, really important. So here we are, the first one, and I made another one I like also, which is this one. Okay, you see, just change the camera angle and try something a bit different, but working too, to better understand the glass on here. And you see, in 1 month, the important thing is that in 1 month, from scratch to end, I do one image, and one important thing is that I finish the project and I respect the time, which is 1 month. Okay, so it's important to adapt your work's time to respect your deadline. It's also something we will see on this tutorial, because for this project tutorial, the contest 2, the blue array, I only have 1 month, okay? And is as personal works, is not 1 full month, okay? So that means I have only some hours. It's why we need to be smart, okay? And don't model everything. Try to find the most resource as possible and be smart, okay? It's really something I will insist on this tutorial. Okay, so this is for explain you a bit what is the WYSIWYG contest, the first one, and now the second one. For the second one, for example, here, we choose a concept, and you have the roles here, you have the concept. So here, it's not one concept, it's more about a mood, okay? You see, it's a street with a strong color lighting mood, okay? Kind of a Japan street, okay? You see some example here, so you choose one, and boom, you did it. And a lot of people will participate, like Jack, which works on studio like Framestore, PT Wazoo, so some guys with a strong knowledge, okay, me also, and like that will show you. You also have a FIFAP, known as a Clément Fayet, which did this, okay, and we will help you, if you see here, and give you feedback, help you to create your image. So it's really great. And as we are a lot to participate, that will motivate each other, okay? So this is for the contest one. Now we start the second one. So let me just, move that here. We don't need that. As I explained you at the beginning, it's really how to say a freestyle tutorial. Okay, I will do everything with you. Okay, from scratch. So when I mean from scratch is that we start just with an empty folder. Okay, so here it's just for me, and we just have some resource we will see later. But in fact it's just reference I just show you. So here as a reference, I have some little things, but we will see that later. So first thing, when you start a project, you need to choose your tools, okay, or your weapon, like you want, and you need to be organized, okay. Just take some time to be organized. So some tips, it's always the same tips, but I explain at every beginning of tutorial, I explain every time. First things, works on a cloud system, like I don't know, Google Drive, Amazon, Dropbox, what you want, but works on a cloud system with history baking. It's an obligation. This way you will never lose your works, okay? Don't works another way. Just to show you, for me, for example, my organization, I have a work in progress folder, which is, as you can see, with this green checkbox, in fact, in a Dropbox folder, okay? Which means that every file that will be saved, auto-saved, everything that I will work in my Blue Array folder, okay, will be instantly saved, okay? So my house can burn, everything can happen, I will lose nothing, okay? And everything is auto-backed. So if I erase something, 10 months later, I can go, for example, right-click on the Maya file, Maya saved, and say in English, history version, okay? And it's auto-back and increment everything. So you need that, first thing. Then I will try to, okay, make some folder of organization. So what I did, it's that I have my doc, okay, a work folder. It's simple, my folder structure, okay, my reference, I create my folder structure, and each time I start a project, I just come here, copy, paste, and boom, I create my tree folder ready to work. For example, here I have this, which is my ref on the ref, okay? I don't need, of course, Unreal, new Substance, ZBrush, 3ds Max, I will keep it. Okay, it's okay. This is for me, so you don't care. And I'm ready to work. And when I have reference, I'm ready to work, and I already have a structure that will help me to instantly save the file as a right now. I want to make something in Photoshop, boom, I save here. Now we will start to work in Maya. Really simple. We have our project here. Just need to copy that, come in Maya, set project, boom, okay. And now if I open, I'm ready to work in my Blue Alley project, okay. Really simple. One more time, just fucking folder, okay. But a copy paste and boom, you're ready. So Dropbox for backup, a tree folder for organization that take 2 seconds. Then little tools that can be helpful. You maybe already know that. I use Quadro. I will launch it and I will show you how to find this guy. Sorry, I need this. Okay, you just hit Quadro reference, okay, on Google, and here, boom, it's free. You download for Mac and Windows, okay. When it's done, you have installed this guy here, and we will see how it's work later, but you already saw it on all my tutorial and things like that. That will, for example, I will open the Radarbot, and you see a reference like that will keep on top of your Windows without any UI, etc. Really useful, and boom, you can work, okay. So before to go to Maya stupidly and just modeling, take just 4 seconds to find the right tool, organize a bit, and just be smart. Just 3 minutes, and you will learn. You will save the hours, okay, of organization and lose files and things like that. Be clean, be proper, be okay, and be simple. Okay, so we are ready. We will look at that after.